Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Mustang. This two-door convertible has a 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, and window defogger. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.